in the heart of Riverside County, where asphalt surfaces pave the way for countless journeys, ensuring their integrity is paramount. At Toro Striping, we're not just about sealing cracks, we're about safeguarding your pathways, preserving your investments, and enhancing the safety and appeal of your properties. As a premier line striping contractor in Corona, CA, we take pride in offering professional asphalt crack filling services to both residential and commercial clients alike. Our seasoned team of experts possesses the skills and knowledge to keep your pavement surfaces in pristine condition by repairing cracks of all sizes and types, preventing water intrusion, and ultimately mitigating the need for costly repairs or replacements. Our crack filling services offer numerous benefits, from improving the appearance of your pavement to preventing further damage and extending its lifespan. By addressing cracks early on, you can avoid more extensive repairs down the road, saving you both time and money. And to give your newly repaired asphalt a polished finish and added protection, we recommend seal coating once the crack filler has cured. Trusted by businesses and property managers from Corona, CA to Phoenix, AZ, we take pride in delivering exceptional results and unparalleled service, tailored to meet your specific needs and expectations. From identifying cracks to sealing them seamlessly, our asphalt crack filling process is as thorough as it gets. And with our expert guidance and attention to detail, you can trust Toro Striping to keep your pathways safe and your investments protected. So why settle for anything less? Contact us today to schedule a consultation and discover how our professional crack filling services can make a difference for your asphalt surfaces.